Hello, my name's William Hugh. I'm a Welsh learner, and to that effect I'll be checking out a different Welsh word every day. Feel free to join me. And today's Welsh word is Llywodraeth, which means government. Llywodraeth, as in Llywodraeth Cymru, Welsh government. Llywodraeth, government.